Helicopter ready for launch. Full speed ahead. Ship to the right. Starboard turn. Right rudder. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Heading right, 30 degrees. Warning, enemy helicopter detected. Left rudder full. We have been detected. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Half ahead. Starboard turn. All posts, prepare for battle. The target has been locked. Warning, enemy helicopter detected. Torpedoes in the water. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. All engines full astern. Missiles prepared for launch. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Missiles prepared for launch. All posts prepared for battle. Enemy ship is on fire. Missiles prepared for launch. Right full rudder. Torpedo tubes ready for action. All posts prepare for battle. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Left rudder full. Incoming torpedo. Right full rudder. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Enemy ship destroyed. Normal launch torpedo. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Torpedo noise. Heading left, prepare for the turn. Open missile silo hatches, prepare for launch. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Preparing turret for shot. Critical hit. Reporting camo detonation. I'm hit! Plane is losing height! Starboard turn. Torpedo standing by. No sign of enemy activity. Enemy warships destroyed. Good job.